Every great enterprise begins with a dream, an ambition to soar to new heights and redefine what's possible. Yet, when your mission calls for deploying hundreds, even thousands of virtual machines, that vision can be grounded by outdated, manual processes that are slow, complex, and often dependent on a full team of cloud specialists just to get off the ground. At Realize, we've reimagined the runway. Introducing the Cloud Factory, your infrastructure manufacturing engine, powered by our AI-driven Realize Automation Intelligent Framework. From a simple no-code interface, your team can initiate automated deployments at scale. Our AIF validates configurations against your Customer Information Questionnaire (CIQ), passes requirements, and generates scripts in minutes, not days. What once took 40 to 80+ hours and a team of senior engineers now takes 1 to 2 hours, managed by a single supervisor. The result? Your infrastructure doesn't just deploy, it lifts off. Fast, reliable, scalable, and always ready for altitude. This isn't just automation, it's aviation for your cloud. Welcome to the era of infrastructure on demand. Ready for takeoff?